Namaskar. First of all, you should know that my concept is totally based upon homeopathy system. Today we will discuss about ileum cepa and euphrasia. According to symptoms, we can treat the patient. Any disease, according to symptom, we can treat the patient and usually he will get soon. Usually he will get well soon. So we will start now ileum cepa. The ileum cepa symptoms are acrid nasal discharge from both the side of the nose, irritation of nose, burning sensation of nose. There is ulceration at the front area of the nose. There is also water discharge from eyes, but there is not any kind of burning or irritation of eyes. But in euphrasia case, the opposite we can see. The euphrasia patients are suffering acrid burning sensation of eyes and so much watery discharge, profuse watery discharge from both the eyes. But there is not any other symptom of the eye. Only the nasal discharge is very much acrid, which is very much irritating, irritation of the nose, ulceration of the front of the nose we can see in ileum cepa patient. In that case, we can give ileum cepa. In euphrasia case, the opposite thing we can see. Like the watery discharge of eyes is so much irritating, like burning sensation, beating sensation, the patient will feel. But the nasal discharge is watery, but there is not any other symptom. Only water discharge from nose and the area around the nose is also fine. But the eyes are so much irritating. Even in conjunctivitis case also we can give euphrasia. In the morning time we can see there is sticky eyes. The upper lid and the lower lid, both lids are stick together of both the eyes. In the conjunctivitis case also the same symptoms also appear. If any patient can suffer like this, if any patient is suffering like this, then you can use euphrasia. The difference between ileum cepa and the euphrasia is the ileum cepa is so much irritation of nose, acrid nasal discharge, but the euphrasia symptom is so much irritation of eyes. But both the ileum cepa and euphrasia have the watery discharge of both eyes and nose. धन्यवाद.